Hello friends, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. My name is Rajiv. I am a young teen coach and a storyteller. Today we are going to hear one story of the fowler and the quails. Long time ago, Bodhisattva was born as a quail. He was head of thousands of the quail and they used to live in forest very merrily. Once a fowler passed by. He saw a large number of quail in the forest. He thought of a scheme to catch them. He went near them and created the note of the quail. As all the quail gathered together, he threw his net over them, caught all the ends of the net, and put them in the basket. Then he carried them away into the market and sold them. That became everyday routine. Soon, Bodhisattva, who was king of the quail, became thoughtful. If this thing continues, then no quail will be left in the jungle. So he called all the quails and he told them, "Listen, a fowler comes here and catches us. We must do this so that we are safe from the fowler." Everybody asked what we should do. So Bodhisattva, who was king, told them, when the fowler puts his net over you, what you should do is that you should take your head out of the net. Then all of you should fly at once. Then carry the net to a thorn break. There you can land and then move out. Next time when the fowler came, he threw his net over the quails. This time all the quails took their head out of the mesh and carried the net together. They landed on a thorn break and then escaped. Fowler came and took out his net from the thorn break. Meanwhile, all the quails escaped. So Fowler has to go empty-handed that day. His wife was very angry with him. She said, "If you don't bring anything, then we will not be able to survive." The fowler said to his wife, "Don't worry, soon they will quarrel with each other and then will come our opportunity." Once it so happened in the jungle that while alighting, one of the quail stepped into the head of another quail. The quail became very angry. He asked, "Who stepped on my head?" The quail said, "It was my fault. Please forgive me." But the second quail continued to remain angry. He said, "Do you think you are very strong? You are the one who is carrying the net." And then they soon started fighting with each other. Bodhisattva saw this. He saw that quails were fighting with each other without any reason. He tried to stop them, but the fighting continued. So Bodhisattva, along with few of his companions, left that place. Next day, the fowler came. He made a note of quail. All the quails were gathered. He threw his net over them. And instead of saving themselves, all the quails started fighting with each other. They said, "You are the one, you are the bravest one. You move the net." The first one said to the another. The other one replied, "No, you are the bravest, you move your net." And they started fighting. Fowler made this job easy for them. He lifted the net. He gathered all the quails and put them in his basket. He carried them away. Bodhisattva was intelligent enough to see this beforehand. Thus, we see in this story how anger of a quail destroyed the whole lot. What happened when the quail carried on with their infighting? The whole clan was destroyed. The fowler was patient enough to wait for infighting of the quails. We also see that there is no safety if there is quarrelsome people around us. I will be coming with more stories soon. Continue to watch this channel. Thank you.